You know that feeling when you walk into a space and something just feels off? Like it's almost there, but not quite. Like there's something still missing. You know that feeling, right? Well, you might be guilty of one of these 5 common home design mistakes that instantly makes your space look unfinished. But don't worry, that's why we're here to fix it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika, your interior designer and the creative director of Eunicon Interior. As usual, I'm here with great tips to help you plan and beautify your space. So today we're talking about 5 mistakes that we make regularly that makes a space look unfinished. And the first problem is having the wrong size of a rug. Think of a rug as the foundation of your room. If it's too small, it makes everything look like it is floating. But with the right size, instant warmth and connection happens. So here's what you need to do. Go big. Your rug should at least tuck under the front legs of your sofas and chairs. It makes the space feel intentional and grounded. This is for people who have made an effort to get a center rug. If you still have not gotten a center rug, please get a center rug. It's a living room essential. You need it. And when you're getting it, make sure that you're getting the size that is proportional to your living room and your furniture pieces. The second problem is naked walls, bare walls. Bare walls are like a missed opportunity. You got to take advantage of that. If you have walls, take advantage of it. Don't say minimalist. They say, I just moved in. And some people still have this I just moved in vibe, even after a year, 2 years, some people even up to 5 years after moving in. Come on, that's such a long time. You have enough time to settle in. But I understand that it takes a while to settle into a new apartment, but it doesn't have to be that long. So here is what you need to do. Add some personality to your space, whether it's a piece of art, mirrors, a gallery wall. Your walls should tell your story. I shared a video about this, decorative ideas that you could use on a bare wall. So check that out and take advantage of the opportunities that you can do, of what you can do with your bare walls. Take advantage of it. Now the third problem is poor window treatment. Curtains are not just for privacy, they are style statements. I believe I have some videos about curtains. You should check that out. So skimpy, cheap looking or mismatched window treatments can make your home feel cheap. You don't want your home looking cheap when you know that you can fix this thing. I know it takes time, but you have to be intentional about it. So here is what you need to do. Invest in good quality fabrics that suits your space, and mount your curtain as high as possible so that we can see the lushness of the fabric. Okay, window treatments can be like a masterpiece, an addition to your space. I also have a video about curtain hanging mistakes that you should avoid, so check that out too, so that you don't also make those mistakes. Also, curtains have a more lush look than window treatments. This is something that people like to argue about. Is it curtains? Is it blinds? Whatever your opinion is, but curtains always do the magic. Curtains do the magic any day, anytime. It makes your space, your home look homely. Makes it look like a home and not an office space. The next problem that needs instant attention is flat accent walls. All white walls can be clean, can be beautiful, can be bright and all of that, but without contrast, your space may lack depth. It will be bland, it will be boring. So an accent wall that is done right is a total game changer. Trust me when I say it, it's a total game changer. You can't imagine the kind of depth it adds to your space. So here's what you need to do. Try a bold paint, something bold, something that will add contrast to your space. So try bold paint, a wallpaper, a textured panel. It could be wooden panel, it could be fluted panel. Just make sure that you're adding some pattern to it. But remember, the balance is everything. One statement wall is often enough. It's a focal point. So don't overdo it, because if you have multiple focal points in a space, it will look very chaotic, right? So keep it simple. The next problem, which is the last on this list, is not having enough seating. An inviting room needs more than a pretty sofa or a chair. If your guests don't know where to sit, your design is sending a mixed signal. It's like, I don't really want you guys here, so why y'all here? You get it? You know what I mean? I've seen spaces where it looks like they are awaiting a delivery of a sofa set, but nah, that's just the way the space has been for years and probably remain like that, right? Here's what you need to do. Mix and match sofas, armchairs, pools, accent chairs, or whatever it is. Just make sure that you have enough seating. They all contribute to the function and flow of the space. Think about comfort, the conversation, and the versatility that comes with it, right? Not having enough seats is not a minimalist design, right? It doesn't make you look like, oh, you're posh, you're keeping it simple. No, that's not what it looks like. When you're doing a minimalist design, the intentionality that goes into it makes it stand out. So if you're not doing a minimalist design, make sure that you have enough seats, enough chairs. So if you are the type who likes to have friends around, guests, and all of that, you need to make sure that you have enough seats when people come around. Now, finally, a finished space isn't about spending more money. It's not always about money. It's about noticing the little things like rugs, walls, windows, seating. All of these matter a lot. You need to avoid these common mistakes, and you are gonna be a step closer to having a home that just doesn't look good, but also feels very right. It is the intentionality about all of these things that makes your space very cohesive and beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button before you leave. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have a comment, please drop it down there and let me know what you think about this and the next thing you're about to change in your home to make it look better. Bye, guys.